Creatine is one of the most studied and trusted supplements, benefiting athletes, students, older adults, and even people seeking cognitive clarity. But what exactly happens when you take it every day? And is it really worth it? Let's dive in. What creatine does. Creatine supports your body's ability to generate ATP, the main energy currency of your cells. Most of it is stored in your muscles, where it powers short, intense bursts of activity, like lifting, sprinting, or jumping. The body makes creatine naturally, and you can get some from foods like red meat and fish. But supplementing can fully saturate your muscles for greater output. Once inside the muscle, creatine becomes phosphocreatine, a high-energy reserve that helps rapidly regenerate ATP. This enhances performance, reduces fatigue, and supports better workout recovery. Bonus, it helps buffer muscle pH, further reducing burnout during intense training. Muscle strength and recovery. Supplementing with creatine increases lean mass and strength when combined with resistance training. It doesn't work like a steroid. Instead, it allows you to train harder, recover better, and gradually build more muscle. It also pulls water into your muscle cells, making them appear fuller, a signal for muscle growth, not bloating. Studies suggest that creatine may reduce muscle soreness and damage post-workout. And vegetarians or vegans often benefit even more since they usually start with lower baseline creatine levels. Cognition and brain support. The brain uses a ton of energy, especially during sleep deprivation, stress, or heavy cognitive tasks. Supplementing creatine may help maintain mental clarity, reduce fatigue, and even improve memory. It's especially effective in people with low baseline levels, like vegetarians or older adults. Preliminary studies also point to mood improvement and potential support for neurodegenerative diseases, though more research is needed. For older adults, creatine may help slow age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia, improve balance, and enhance mobility, especially when paired with strength training. There's even potential cognitive benefit, making creatine a multifaceted tool for healthy aging. Hey, quick pause. If you've made it this far, you clearly care about your health and performance. But did you know over 80% of people who watch this channel regularly aren't subscribed? If you're one of them, please consider subscribing. It helps me create more content just like this for you. Thank you. Debunking creatine myths. Kidney damage? Myth. Long-term studies show no harmful effects in healthy individuals. Bloating? Not exactly. The water stays inside the muscle cells, aiding performance, not causing puffiness. Cycling required? Nope. Daily use is safe and more effective. How to use it? Loading isn't required, but possible, 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days. Otherwise, just 3 to 5 grams per day consistently works well. It doesn't matter when you take it, but consistency is key. Creatine monohydrate, gold standard. Cheap, proven, and effective. No need to overpay for fancy variants. Who should take it? Strength athletes and gym goers, vegans and vegetarians, older adults wanting muscle or brain support, students, night shift workers, gamers, etc. Even if you're not lifting weights, creatine might help you feel and function better. Combos that work. Protein for muscle repair, carbs for uptake, beta-alanine for endurance, caffeine, safe combo for most. Stay hydrated. Creatine increases muscle water content. Non-responders? Some people notice little change. That's usually due to already high creatine levels or low-intensity training. But for most, the benefits are clear. Bottom line, creatine supports muscle, brain, recovery, and long-term function. It's cheap, safe, and highly effective. Whether you're lifting heavy, studying late, or just trying to age better, creatine might be one of the smartest additions to your daily routine. Have a good one.